This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a Chinese-style soya sauce steamed fish. I have here a red tilapia, which is about 450 grams. The key to choosing fresh fish is to look for clear eyes and blood red gills. Also look for sticky mucus around the gills. Score the fish twice at the thickest part. This is to help it cook more evenly. Now, rub half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine all over the fish. The Chinese cooking wine will help get rid of any fishy smell. Slice up 4 slices of ginger. Put 2 slices into the slits of the fish which you have cut earlier on. And another 2 slices into the belly. Slice up another 4 slices of ginger and julienne it. Also, cut up a stalk of spring onion into long strips. Steam the fish over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce. Mix together 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, two tablespoons of water, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Keep stirring this till the sugar dissolves. You will know that the fish is done when the flesh next to the bone is white and the flesh pulls off easily from the bone. Remove the fish. There will be some water at the bottom. Pour this away. And remove the ginger slices. And top the fish with the julienne ginger and the spring onions. Pour the prepared soy sauce around the fish. Next, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil till it's very hot. Pour this over the fish and hear the sizzle. This is a simple Chinese-style soya sauce steamed fish.